In this video, let's learn how do we divide the number 402 by 6 using the long division method. See that 4 is less than 6. That is why we will consider the number 40. We know that 6 times 6 is equal to 36. Subtract, we get 4. Now this 4 is less than 6. That is why we will bring down this adjacent 2 here. And we know that 6 times 7 is equal to 42. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 402 divided by 6 is equal to this number 67. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.